So hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you should you buy this drone or not. So first of all, here I am giving you the quick overview of this drone. So first of all, this is the controller, and here goes 3 AAA cells. This is the controller. This is for up and this is for down. This is for forward, backward, right and left. This is for flip. This is for speed mode, and this do nothing. This is the on off switch. To pair this, first on this controller, after owning, first up then down, and now it is paired. This quadcopter has no barometer support, no altitude hold, no camera, nothing. It can just fly like this, just this. But when it is flipped, it will not work. You have to correct it. The right side is the front, the blue light is the back. Here, let me show you something. As you can see, there is no height control, that's why it is very difficult to control. Let me once again. As you can see, it is very difficult to fly, and the price of this was about 1500 when I bought it, but some people also bought it for about 1,000 rupees, 1100 and 1200. And for that money, I think that's not worth to buy some better drones. Let me show you this box. This is the box. I will not bore you by unboxing this again and again. Here are two propellers. Let me introduce what is inside, what comes in this box. First, the drone itself. 3.7 volt, 220 mAh battery, 2 propellers, remote control. 3 AAA batteries are not included. This manual, and that's all. Nothing else you will get in this package. As you can see, when the trigger is at up, it will flash. When you lower it, it will not flash. So the drawback is that this don't have any altitude hold. Let me show you. I'm just pressing it. As you can see, this stick to the wall, and when I lower the trigger, it will fall down. As you can see, there is no altitude hold, that's why you have to fly it very carefully. And also in open air it can disperse, and also when it is flying in open air, the controller loses the signals. That's why you will face difficulty in making it forward, backward. So it is good for, I think, time pass. For no reason, this is good for nothing. But you can do some flips. First press this button and then this. As you can see, it will stick to the wall, and when it's flown outdoors, it will disappear. That's why I'm not flying it outdoors. So this is not worth it. 1500 is not worth for this Chinese shit. So let me introduce my another drone. Let me show you this. That first, get a look on this box. I highly recommend not to buy this one. Don't waste your money in this one. This drone, this is the next one, and as you can see, the controller is very good looking. It looks very professional. Let me pair this up. Now it is paired, and now you have to press the quick one click take off. Let me go in the open space. Hovering in one place, not sticking to the was, let me adjust the height.